Hey everybody, I'm back. I was wondering if any of y'all have ever seen one of these for tinnitus. I just put this back in the box to show y'all how it actually comes. It comes covered in plastic and um, your information. Bluetooth sound, Bluetooth sleep sound therapy system. And it's got all these different 20 sounds are included in this thing, which is pretty cool. And it's got a warranty card and information living with tinnitus, and an instruction manual, which is pretty cool because you can actually do a lot with this. I keep hearing sounds like cicadas, but I've had both of my eardrums damaged before in the Marine Corps, so, and it's getting worse and worse and worse and worse. And so they sent me this, and when it comes on, you can see the little red light. And it's also got a micro SD card in it. So you can actually record your own sounds that you want to sleep with on it if you don't want to hear theirs, I guess. And I had this set up in my bedroom, so there it is. I think. There we go. And we'll see if we can get it louder than that stupid dog that barks every night. But those cicada, they're a bug that you've probably heard them if you've been anywhere. I mean, they're an annoying bug that really loud for a long time, and then they'll shut up, and then they'll click really loud for a long time, and then they'll shut up, and really loud for a long time, and then they'll shut up. And oh man, I was hearing this. If you can imagine trying to go to sleep, and you lay down and you hear this, and it was driving me crazy, literally. And it was hard to sleep, and it just got worse and worse and worse. And what I found was interesting one night is, and I thought I had found the culprit because all of a sudden it was super loud in my living room, in my living room, and I was like, "What in the world?" And one of them had gotten in through the air conditioner, was coming in through the vent, and I thought maybe that thing was breeding out there, and that's how come I had, you know. So I grabbed it and threw it outside, And they kept going and going, so I knew it wasn't the culprit. But yeah, you can change the volume here on the side, and you can change different modes, and we can go to this is I think beach and waves. It's like waves crashing. Sounds better than those bugs. Let's see what this one is. That's like rain, like a thunderstorm rain. Let's see what this one is. This one I think is what they call, if you're in an airliner. And so it's kind of like just a noise, like in an airliner. And this is a heavy rain. And that's a light rain. You kind of got to figure out which each one of these are. It's got gray noise, woodlands, and jet interior. We went by that. Maui surf, I think we went that. Ocean surf with white noise. Now some people wouldn't like this, because when I retired I did pest control, and a lot of people wanted to get rid of crickets. But being from Arkansas, it didn't bother me a bit. Let's see. This is your white noise. And this is stream with white noise, so it's a stream of water with white noise. And steady flow of cascading waterfall, 6,000 hertz. And you can add more to it, but we'll go back to the first one. Now this one is Thera 1, 1K, 10K. And then it goes to brown noise. And its brown noise is a constant sound containing more low-pitched sounds and frequencies than higher. And change the next one, and you got targets major masking frequencies from 2,000 to 8,000 hertz, with sharp peak emphasis areas at 7,800 hertz and 4,500 hertz, 3,000 hertz, and 2,500 hertz. And then you can go the next one. Targets major masking frequencies from 900 to 3,200 hertz. And frequencies, the next one's frequencies from 1,000 to 10,000 hertz with multiple peak emphasis areas. These are developed by a doctor. And the next one is thunder and rain. Supposed to be. Anyway, that's a lot of, it comes with 20 sounds. Yeah, that's it, thunder and rain, 20 sounds included, and you can add to them, which I think is cool. You know, your controls are down here, this is for on and off, and then you got, if you happen to go too far on one of the sounds and you wanted to go back, I mean, if you hit one sound and you said, I like the last sound better, you can skip back to it or forward. And you turn your volume up here. And you can change your modes. You can put a headset in there. And you can put an inset, a mic in there. And I like the certain sounds from it. And I'll tell you what, instead of listening to those cicada bugs, oh my gosh, or hearing them, this is what it comes in. And you can buy it. Sound Oasis, sleep better, feel better, live better. And it shows you how it helps and everything. You can read about it with the paperwork that comes with it. And it's got a built-in rechargeable battery. You need to let it sit for 5 to 8 hours per charge, but you can run it direct. Keep plugged in with charging cable, 30 feet or 10 meters Bluetooth range. And these are all the all the sounds that come with it. that's what it looks like. It comes with a free app. It's I find it non-intrusive, sitting on my nightstand. So anybody comes in, they don't know that you got it unless you turn it on. But you can use your phone as well for it, as you can see, and comes with the app, and you can turn it up and down and all that, or skip over it instead of having to look at this. You can change all that with your phone. Because some people like to do that. And so anyway, if you got tinnitus, or you're hearing little buzzes and little bugs and all that, look into getting you one of these. The VA sent me mine, and it really does help. I had a choice between a hearing aid type thing, which would not have worked because they have me on the CPAP now, so the headset goes around, and that wouldn't have worked anyway. And I was like, nah. And so they sent me this, and it worked perfect. I'm serious. And I can turn that on, and the CPAP is so quiet I can hear it. And I just sleep like a baby finally, And then I found that if I don't use it, and I don't use the CPAP, I'm kind of grumpy, and I'll start hearing the tinnitus sounds a little bit louder during the day because I'll get tired. So yeah, it's well worth it, I think. Anyway, I didn't know if y'all had seen one of these, and I wanted to bring it to your attention, and I hope it helps someone. And anyway, it worked for me, so hopefully it'll work for you. Okay? Y'all have a great day, and remember, if you're in a warm place, go swimming because it's turning cold. It's definitely, well, it's 59 now. And Alexa, what's the temperature?
Right now, it's 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Tonight, expect a low of 45 degrees. Would you also like to check the high for today?
No. So,
sorry, I don't know that.
So it's supposed to be 45. It's going to be the low tonight. And I'm in Arizona, so the weather can change instantly. And if it changes instantly, you'll know. Definitely. Because it was like in the 60s just the other day, and now it's dropped down. I mean, it was the 60s was the low at night. And now it's like 49, so going to be 49 tonight. So that's okay. And I had a friend that was staying over here, and I'll tell you, she wanted the air conditioner on all night because it's, I live upstairs, and so there's like a 20-degree difference. And if it's 49 downstairs, it's 69 up here. But if it's 69 downstairs, then it's 89 up here. And when it's really in the middle of summer, it can get screaming hot. So the air conditioner, I just left it on, So anyway, if you're in a warm place, go swimming. If you're in a cold place, find a warm place to go swimming. And if you can't find a warm place to go swimming, snuggle up with someone and keep warm. Okay, y'all stay safe, and we'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.